Hello everybody, my name is Alex Serbo. I am a technical lead of Bitrix24 BI project. I am head of data science, and today I want to tell you about a new functionality of Bitrix24 BI connector connected with filtering on any data time column in report. Uh, as you know, as you remember, by default we can filter data for deals by data creation date and leads by update date. There was a lot of questions about how to filter leads and deals in other BI entities by other columns. Like we want to filter deals by closed date column to create a closed deals, a report on closed deals for some months. And now it is possible. Let me show how you can use this functionality in your projects. First, let's look at this query of deals. We ask deals, CRM deal entity, using function bx24 load entity, using this function. Let's look at this function. This function goes to server, server bit24 rule, and secret key, some secret key, and loads entities constrained by start date and end date. Here I wrote fixed dates, you see, and let's look at results. So we see results, deals on my test portal. Now let's fix and a filter by date create default column for this date. Yeah, I set this date here, and look, the filtering by default by creation, date of creation. You see, you see. And now let's to select deals by date modify. Say this date. Please look here. We need to add this key config params and set this column date modify. Date modify. So the server Bitrix24 will start to filter deals by date modify column for this date. Do you see? It works. Let's now filter by other report column of closing of this deal's closing date. But first, let's look at all deals, and see the some date, interesting date. No. I can take this date. I wrote this down. Close date, for example, we need to filter by close date, and deals closed at this date, 29 4 20 22 22. Check and close date 29 4 2022 2022. Let's look the result. Close date, close date. Oh, a long list of a long list of columns. But close date, do you see? Do you see? 29/4/2022. It works. Let's filter by, for example, no, begin date. Let's play with it. Let's play with it. You see, it works. For example, when we look at all deals, I have not many deals here, but we can try this little amount. Let's select begin date. Say this begin date. And here we set begin date. Begin date. Let's refresh all. It works. So how we can select how we can select fields, filtering fields. Oh, how I know that we need to use only these fields? The answer is simple. We can filter by all data time columns in BI entity. So you see in documentation, you for any BI entity of Bitrix24. And if this is data time column, you can put the name of this column here in time filter column and start to filter by it. So now we can filter any BI entity of Bitrix24 by any data time column. It's cool. It's that's all for today. This is the first video I recorded for you. I plan to record a lot of videos in English, explaining in very simple words the main ideas, how our BI connector works. Add your comments, please, likes, and see you. Bye.